Good day. As years pass by, advancement of technologies have led to exciting opportunities for us, and the society is looking to create ways to live and lengthen our lives. Through the advancement of technology, we can make impossible things to possible. Genetics. Genetics is the study of heredity, which influence how these traits or conditions can be inherited from a different person to person. Because of the big impacts of advancement of technology, we can now manipulate or modify one or more genes of an organism. We call it genetic engineering. So what do we know about genetic engineering? Genetic engineering, also called as the recombinant DNA technology. This process involves a group of techniques used to cut up and join together genetic material, especially DNA from different biological species, and to produce the resulting hybrid DNA into an organism in order to form new combinations of heritable genetic material. By then, we may or you may consider genetic engineering given in your own purposes of application. So for today, there are so many applications are enhancing, particularly in this domain. Genetic engineering has a use applications in the field of environmental science, medicine, food industry, agriculture, and so on. So now, let's talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages in the application of genetic engineering. The first advantage of it is improving the quantity and quality of agricultural crops. Genetically modified crops can prove to be powerful complements to those produced by conventional methods for meeting the worldwide demand for quality foods. Crops developed by genetic engineering can not only be used to enhance yields and nutritional quality but also for increased tolerance to various biotic and abiotic stresses. Thus, developed products for human consumption hold the promise to significantly contribute to human health and welfare. Second is in the field of medicine. Recombinant DNA technology has a wide spectrum of applications in treating diseases and improving health conditions such as mass production of insulin, vaccines, human growth hormones, antibiotics. Some made a remarkable achievement to overcome consequences of several critical and pandemic diseases. These all medicinal miracles are possible because of genetic engineering. Third, advantages in animals. Genetic engineering has a potential to greatly improve the health and welfare of agricultural animals. Genetic engineering animals may be disease resistant, parasite resistant, and wind-stand stress. The beneficial trait can likely improve their well-being because they will be more productive. Through genetic engineering, also cows can be developed to produce more milks. Poultry can grow more muscle tissue at a faster rate. So now, if there are advantages, we are surely that there are also disadvantages in the application of genetic engineering. We cannot deny that. First is genetically modified organism can lead to side effects. Genetically modified crops could be harmful. For example, toxins from the crops have been detected in some people's blood. Genetically modified crops could cause allergic reactions in people. Also, with the modified animals, for greater meat production might have a shortened lifespan so that farmers suffer greater livestock. Second, it can lead to ecological problems. The release of genetically engineered species would also have the possibility of causing an imbalanced ecology of a region. An accident or unknown result could cause several problems. An accident in engineering the genetics of a virus or bacteria, for example, could result in a stronger type, which could cause serious epidemic when released, which could lead to minor medical problems or up to death. Third, it can lead to unfavorable diversity. Genetic engineering would also decrease in diversity, since species that have modified tend to be stronger. Unmodified species would also disappear because of the introduction of modified species. So now, as I conclude, advancement of technology through genetic engineering has a big impact, but we should always be reminded that not only the benefits of it we can get, but also the unexpected outcomes of it. We cannot blame others since genetic engineering aims the betterment of the population and environment. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.